All right, so this is a Dodge Challenger RT installing Corsa exhaust system, and pretty straightforward install, except for we have to do like what Arneil have to cut the valve. So the factory, so this is a factory valve that we have to cut from the stock pipe. Well, this is not stock anymore. At least this one is like factory, but this one was modified. So the valve's just like right here in between that. And we cut like what, 13 inches? Yeah. Like that's the length. Because I don't think, because when we got this exhaust, there's no instructions on how to. I mean, the install is straightforward, but just we didn't know that you have to remove the factory valves, right? So, which is this one right here. But we got it down, you know. But you gotta measure it. So from here, like on each end, it's like 13 inches long. And then you'll see the radius too. Like, you don't want to cut it like right here. You have to cut it where it kind of straightens. Same thing here, and then this one right there. And we also had a hard time figuring out like which one it was like, or, like which one is like the way the orientation is. Because this one, I thought this was facing that way, and I was like installing it wrong because like it took us a while to like figure out like the correct angle. But we got it down. We just need to tighten the clamps, so it'll look like that. The tips, and they're pretty good. The tips are, plastic covered from the factory, but we're gonna take that off, obviously. And then the muffler is kind of angled, so it's not gonna sit flat. It's gonna sit like that. So just FYI. So we're gonna go finish this exhaust install, because after this job, we're gonna bring in the Civic that we need to do a clutch job. That's easy, man. I mean, Arneil's like he's still like getting some like experience because he's still young, but I'm showing him the ropes.
I like his ropes.
All right.